Here we come to the elevators at the Sterling Center at Texas Southern University in Houston, Texas. He's got GAL fixtures. I wonder what kind these are. Oh, this cab. B? I don't know if this is an Esco or something. Look at this cab. This is neat. That's a service area for. This cannot be a Southern elevator because Southern is based out of North Carolina, and they never install Southern elevators here in Texas. And I think Southern is a local brand out on the East Coast. Floor indicator is entirely burned out. I'm gonna switch cars up here. Innovation directional lantern. I really like the school logo on the elevator doors. Reminds me of the Dover elevators. This reminds me of the Dover elevator filmed at the Alumni Center with the big Texas A&M logo on the in the center of the elevator doors. I don't know if that other elevator car even works or not. I know it's sitting in the basement. I hear one coming. Yeah, it looks like the other car is down. This cab. I really like the cab. I can't even get in the camera frame. I need to get a good cab view once the elevator door opens. The basement is supposed to be locked. All right, let's see if we can send this up. Yeah, it looks like the other elevator car doesn't even work. I can see it sitting down there. Yeah, it looks like the other elevator car doesn't even work. You see through the crack. It's like literally sitting down here on this floor. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and go back up to one end there. I don't want to be down here. Right here it is. Anyways, look at this cab mural. I really love the cab murals. I gotta see this. Can't hear the motor well because of the fan. These are your GAL fixtures. I don't know what brand this used to be. I think is this a Montgomery? Is this a Montgomery or a US? If anybody knows. All right, there it goes, and that's it.